There are three main gestures on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. The first one is going to be double pinch, like this. The second one is going to be shake to dismiss, like this. And the third one is going to be knock, which is 2 knocks like this. Now, the knock gesture, we'll start with that one. You can actually program the watch to do a specific action or launch a specific app when you do the knock knock command, like this. So I have it programmed where when I knock, it's going to automatically launch my text messages app, and I can see if I have any new messages. Now, if you want to change that knock knock gesture to launch a different command or app, simply swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on the settings wheel. You're going to swipe up to buttons and gestures, and then swipe up to knock knock. Next, tap select an option, and then it will give you a list of other apps that you can program to launch with that gesture. Or if you swipe to the top, it'll give you some specific actions you can have launch as well. For example, your flashlight, or even to get right to your reminders to add a new reminder. Now with the pinch gesture, it's really cool. You can actually use it to answer the phone. Right now, I'm getting a call through my watch, and I'm going to simply pinch twice to answer the call, like this. There we go. Now double pinching when you're in a call will end the call. Now when you're playing music, you'll see this little icon at the bottom of the screen, and when you tap on it, it'll bring up your music controls, and you can also use that double pinch to pause your music or to play it. Finally, for the shake to dismiss gesture, you can use this for turning off an alarm or a timer, just like this. Timer's going off. Now I can do a double pinch, or I can simply just shake my wrist twice, and that will silence the alarm. So make sure you hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.